Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. I'll eventually be able to speak. Today's very easy puzzle is called Spiraling Circles and it's by Pulsar. And here are the rules. Not normal Sudoku rules because we don't have designated 9-cell regions. But we need to place the digits 1 through 9 once each into every row and column. So keep that in mind. A digit in a circle indicates the number of circles that contain that digit. So, for example, if this were say a 6, that means you would have to have 6 circles in total that contain a 6. And while basically satisfying the other rule that we have in place. Anyways, those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, so for circle puzzles, I like counting the number of circles there are. So specifically the circle puzzles where the number in a circle indicates how many digits of that circle contains that digit, right? Well, okay, this has to be 45. And the reason why I know that is every digit in row 1 and in column 1 is in a circle. That means all the digits from 1 through 9 has to be in a circle. So there must be 1 1 in a circle, 2 2s in a circle, 3 3s, that's 4 4s, 5 5s, etc., all the way up to 9. That means the total number of circles must be 45. Right? So we have 9, this is 8, 7, and then 6. Oh, it fits that. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That adds up to 45. Because those were all the digits from 1 through 9. Anyways, 1 can only appear once in all the circles. Well, if it were any digit besides this cell, it would have to appear once here and once here just because of the rule set, right? Where you have to place the digits 1 through 9 once each in every row and column. So the only place where you could have a 1 that satisfies the rule set of place 1 through 9 once in every digit and be only once in a circle is having the 1 here. Similarly with 9. 9 has to appear in a circle only in circles, right? Because you have 9 9s in the puzzle. So they have to be in a circle nines always have to be in a circle, essentially. Where can 9 be in column 1 then? It can only be in a circle, so this is a 9. How about row 2? It can only be 9 here, so that's 9. Where can 9 be in column 8? Can't be here because of the 9 in the row. Can't be any of the non-circle clues, so this must be a 9 here. Then what about row 8? Can't be here because of a 9 in the column, so it has to be in the other circle, which is there. And we can keep going around this way. What about column 3? 9 can't be here, 9 can't be here. It must be in the circle, so that must be here. That follows row 4. 9 can't be here because of a 9 in the column. 9 can't be here because of the 9 in the column, so it must be in the circle. Then we have... I'm not really sure why I'm going this way, but it's just the way I am. Where can it be in column 5? Or 6, sorry. Can't be here, can't be here, can't be here because of the 9s in the column. Or the rows, sorry. So this is 9. What about row 6? Can't be here because of the 9 in the column. Can't be here or here because of the 9s in the column. So this must be 9. That leaves the last 9 possible as being here. Okay. So we can do something similar with 8s, right? 8 cannot appear in, has to appear in column 1. Actually, okay, sorry. 8 can never appear in row 2. Well, actually, we could do that. Column 1 or row 2. It can't appear in a circle in row 1. Sorry, column 1 or row 2. That means in every other column and row, 8 has to be in a circle. So, in row 8, where is the 8? 8 has to be in a circle because it can't be in a circle in row 2. So this is 8. In row... Let's keep doing rows, I guess. Do we have enough? Maybe not. We need 3. So in row 4, where is the 8? It can't be here because of the 8 in the column. So it can't be here because that's 9. So this is 8. Now we need 4 circles. We have 4 circles here. This can't be 8. This can't be 8. That forces this to be 8. We need 5 circles now in a row. This can't be 8. This can't be 8. This can't be 8. So this must be 8 here. That's now we need 6 circles in a row. This can't be 8. This can't be 8. This can't be 8. This can't be 8. So this is an 8. We need 7 circles in a row. This can't be 8. No 8. No 8. No 8. No 8. So this is 8. That means where is the last 8? In row 1. Can't be here. Can't be here. Can't be here. 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 So could be either of these two. We missed one, didn't we? No, can't be here. So can't be here. Can't be here. Can't be here. Can't be here or here. And it has to be in column 8 here. Because we know in column 1 we're missing 8 from a circle. To count out all the 8s, we need to have an 8 in a circle in column 8. So this is 8. That means, okay, so we have, oh, I missed, okay, so that's why. I missed this, I missed 8 circles in a row. All right, so this can't be 8 here. No 8, no 8, no 8, no 8, no 8. So this had to be 8 here, which eliminated 8 from being possibility here, which forced this to be an 8. And we can do this with every other set, right? Sorry, every other digit. So for 7s, in rows 2 and row 8, 7 cannot be in a circle. So every other row must contain a 7 in a circle. That means in the cell with the row with 3 circles, this has to be a 7. The row with 4 circles, the 7 cannot be here, so it must be here. The row with 5 circles, it can't be here or here, so it must be here. The row with 6 circles, it can't be here, here, or here, so it must be 7 here. Row with 7 circles, can't be here, 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 or here, so this must be 7. Row with 8 circles, this is not allowed, nor are these two, nor is this and this, so this is 7. And the row with 9 circles, 7 can't be here, 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 or here, so it has to be here. And then we can keep doing this. For 4 circles, we need 6 because we already have 3 rows, which cannot have a 6 in a circle. The rest of the rows must have a 6 in a circle, so this is 6. This can't be 6, so this is 6. These two can't be 6, so this is 6. These 3 can't be 6, so this is 6. These 4 can't be 6, so this is 6. And that means 6 has to be with 4 digits. So this is 6. So we can do that with 5. This is 5. That means this can't be 5, so this is 5. These two can't be 5, so this is 5. These 3 can't be 5, so this is 5. And that leaves that as a 5. 4s, this has to be 4. That's in 6 digits. This can't be 4, so this is 4 here. This and this can't be 4, so this is 4 here, which means this has to be a 4 here. That leaves this as 3 and this as 2. Right? So this is 3, which makes that 2, which makes that 3, which makes that 2, which makes that 3. So the 3 should be in 3 circles. The 2 should be in 2 circles. The 1 is in 1. The 4 is in 4. The 5s are in 5. And that 6s are in 6. So we can just figure out where the rest of the digits are. This has to be a 1 because of what's left in column 2. This must be 1 also because of what's left in row 9. We have 1 and 2 remaining in row 3. This can't be 1, so this is 2. This is 1. We have 1, 2, 3 remaining in row 7. This can't be 1 or 2, so this is 3. This can't be 1, so this is 2, which makes this a 1. So, yeah, we can keep doing this for the remaining of the rows. So that was 1 remaining digit, 2 remaining digits, 3 remaining digits. We need 4. This can't be 1, 2, or 3, so that's 4. This can't be 1 or 2, so that's 3. This can't be 1, so that's 2, which makes that 1. We need the 5 circle ones, which is here. This can't be 1, 2, 3, or 4, so it's 5. This can't be 1, 2, or 3, so it's 4. This can't be 1 or 2, so it's 3. This can't be 1, so that's 2, which makes that 1. 6 remaining cells. This can't be 1 through 5, so this is 6. This can't be 1 through 4, so it's 5. This can't be 1 through 3, it's 4. This can't be 1 through 2, so it's 3. This can't be 1, so it's 2, which makes that 1. 7 remaining cells. This must be 7. This must be 6. This is 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then we have row 2, which makes this an 8. This is 7. This is 6. This has to be 5. This is 4. We have 3, and this is 2. And that's how you solve it. Yeah, basically this just follows, yeah. It's just an interesting pattern, I guess. It's fairly straightforward if you just, yeah, if you just think about it a little bit. But yeah. Pretty cool puzzle. It's very similar to another puzzle I did. I think that was considered easy, and I think it was specifically cited as a successor to it because it just wanted to highlight this sort of dynamic with the interaction between the spiral and the circles. The other one, I believe, was a Sudoku. I don't remember how it was different, though, actually. It's been a little bit, so I'm not sure exactly how it was different. Still an interesting little pattern here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this variant and this episode, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.